Welcome to the workshop. I'm Laurent. For this last video of the Nova Plus series, we will focus on how to engrave a round stuff like this using the rotary accessory of the Nova Plus. But before, let's quickly recap what we've covered in the previous videos. We introduced the Nova Plus series from its industrial power and RF metal tube, which, when paired with a wide selection of laser heads, offer an exceptional speed and precision, ensuring that even the most intricate designs are engraved and cut with flawless accuracy and clarity. We also highlighted its advanced air cooling system, which guarantees continuous, efficient operation, and the built-in safety feature that keep you protected through your works. What do you think? Which feature of the Nova Plus excites you the most? Drop a comment below and let us know. Got round stuff? The Nova Plus is rotary ready. Let's install the rotary accessory and see how easy it is to expand your machine's capabilities. Excited to try the rotary accessory? Share what you would engrave first in the comments. So the first step is to fix in a good way your cup on the rotary accessory. For this, just press it like this and turn it just to fix it. Once done, just be sure well fixed, well aligned with the axis. This is the case. Second part, just lock it on the back. Just be sure that all this well locked and secure it in this way. That's all. Perfectly set. The Nova is rotary ready. Already have a plug to put the rotary accessory connector. So just do it and it's done, ready to go. So for sure, just before I go, we have to do the autofocus. Just find the highest point, perform the autofocus to ensure that everything will be at the perfect precision. And it's okay like this. Now that everything has been set up on LaserMaker, just define our origin. Yeah, like this I think it's okay. And check the framing, just to ensure that all our design will be engraved at the good location on our cup. This is good, so just let go.
Let's set up our design file using LaserMaker software. It's intuitive and seamless. Want to see more tutorial on LaserMaker? Let us know in the comment. So first of all, I will set up the rotary part. On the right part of the software, just click on the rotary panel, enable it, set up the cycle pulse. This data is given to you by your rotary accessory seller, and something that is the most important, the diameter of the cup on which you want to work on. Mine is 87 mm. Second, open the file you want to engrave. That's it. Go on the layer panel to set up all the engraving parameters. For me, first the mode, shallow, in our case, speed 1000 mm per second, power 100%, and DPI, the precision, I will set it at 400. It's okay, all done. Now just go on processing, send the file to the engraver, wait the file are transmitted, and that's all. Let's go on.
Whether you're engraving for art, customization, or production, the Nova Plus ensures every detail is perfectly executed. Let's quickly compare the Nova and the Nova Plus series. The Nova Plus steps up with a wonderful CO2 RF laser, offering 10,000 working hours compared to the usual glass tube with only 2,000 to 4,000 hours. The Nova Plus also has a larger work area and is faster engraving speed and more precise, and had a much better material compatibility, making it the perfect choice for high-end demand and industrial application. We've covered a lot in this series, from the power and precision of the Nova Plus to its rotary engraving capabilities, LaserMaker software integration, and the key differences between the Nova series and the Nova Plus series. Whether you're a designer or working in large-scale production, the Nova Plus series delivers on every front precision, speed, and versatility. Ready to see the Nova Plus in action? Head to our website for more details. And subscribe and stick around the workshop. See you guys!